My boo is in the kitchen. My boo is in the kitchen, slicing and dicing the tomatoes. Sweetheart, you are cutting it too tiny. It will waste your time.
It's better that way, man.
But you can still cut it big. It will melt inside the pan.
No, it's more. It will be properly sauced when it's smaller.
Chai. You guys, let me show you his face. Sweetheart, say hello to say hello to our YouTube family.
What up, my people? How you doing? Yeah, we just do a little something.
Yeah.
You know, we have babies in the house. We have to take care of them.
Yeah.
We have babies in this house, both small babies and big babies. So we have to take care of all of them.
Yes, sir.
Please look after that small rats. You have to run his house. Young man.
Danny, what are you doing?
Leave there. He's gone. See what you took.
This is game. That I'm more concerned about this food you're making. Forget that. Food is ready. Food is ready. Boy. You guys, look at my food. Look at the food my husband made for me. Oh my god. I'm coming to die, right? And sit down and eat this food. You guys, oh my. Marry a man that can cook. Marry a man that can cook. Marry a man that can cook, all of you. Boo boo boo. Take now. It's yummy. It's yummy. This is yummy. Wow. Ooh, this is yummy, you guys.
Should I make Indomie for Daniel?
Yes, sweetheart, Indomie, please. Ah, sweetheart, this your food is looking yummy. Let me do it, Daniel. Yummy. He's preparing to open his mouth. I've never seen a guy that doesn't like eating like Daniel. Ah! Oh, Boo, take. Yummy! See my baby now. See my baby now. Yummy.
It's okay for me. I want to cook this thing.
He won't waste it. He's hungry. Don't worry. You guys, I don't want to show you my mouth as I'm eating. Just be seen as the food is finishing from the plate. I just want to relax and be taken care of.